Right. So hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about simple microscope part 2, that is when image is formed at 4 point. Okay, so look at here, we are using a convex lens. Already we know that convex lens is a convergent lens, and this horizontal axis is called principal axis, which is directly passing through the optical center. Okay, now exactly the object is located at the focus on the principal axis, and here I have two incident rays. The first incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After the refraction, the refracted ray is directly passing through the focus at right hand side. Similarly, another ray of light which is directly passing through the optical center without any deviation. Okay, so here there is an observer. He was standing and observing the refracted rays at right hand side. These two refracted rays are parallel to each other. So this is the first refracted ray and this is the second refracted ray. But if you extend these refracted rays in backward direction, that means the left hand side with imaginary lines, these refracted rays are moving like this. That means image is formed at infinite distance. Image is formed at infinite distance. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here image distance v is equal to infinity and object distance is u. Okay, so from lens formula we know that 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So from the diagram clearly I mentioned image distance v value is infinity, so directly I have taken v is infinity and object is placed left hand side, that's why u is replaced by minus u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by infinity means that is exactly 0 and minus of minus is plus, so 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So after getting this equation both the sides I am going to multiply capital D. Then what will happen? D by u is equal to D by f. Let us assume this is equation number 1. And in first part, I mean object is placed near point. In that case, already we discussed magnification power is equal to D by u. That is let us assume equation number 2. Now substitute this equation number 1 in equation number 2. So finally you will get magnification power is equal to D by f. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much.